Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Cardano and its valuations against Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum, as well as the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, looking at the different charts will kind of give you, different perspectives. When looking at the Cardano Bitcoin chart, you can see that the trend is down. We are trending down. We didn't hold the prior local top here at around 3,800 satoshis. We're well below that now at 3,300, 3,400 satoshis or so. And it seems the trend will continue considering what Bitcoin is doing, right? Bitcoin is now rallying, Bitcoin is outpacing the market, and it's dragging, okay, literally dragging up the prices of all coins, whether it likes it or not. When we look at Ethereum, right? Valuations against Ethereum. Well, looky here. It's it's kind of moving sideways for the past ever since May, a couple months, right? What's interesting though, is this movement here and this here. What do these things have in common? Well, it's in fact the 200-day moving average. You could see that Cardano Ether, after the initial drop, came back to the 200-day moving average and then shot right back up. And then now we're moving steady at this level. This is going to be interesting to see because we are at the 200-day moving average right now. So the question is if we're able to repeat, or are we going to break further down? This is interesting because Ethereum is also not doing as well, right? Ethereum's also trending down against Bitcoin. Cardano's trending against Bitcoin. So the question is who is trending harder down? Is it Cardano? Is it Ethereum? At the moment right now, they're kind of trending the same because Cardano Ether is moving sideways. You could say for the past month or so, Ethereum has been bleeding less than Cardano. But this can definitely change, especially if this structure breaks. Okay, if this structure breaks to the downside, I'm curious to see how Cardano will react if it's able to hold its valuations against Bitcoin, and therefore the Cardano Ether valuation should be going up. I don't necessarily have any um, like gut feeling, I guess you could say, or kind of anticipation of it. I'd like it to see it go up. I don't hold any Cardano, but it's definitely one of the best performers of the market right now, or best performers of the market thus far. So it would be nice to see this bounce to keep that narrative going. But at the same time, it could definitely come back down. We've seen Cardano back at these valuations many times, and I would be surprised if it came back down. Keep in mind though, we haven't seen Cardano in a full blown bull market, right? The last data points we have is around here, right? This is December 2017 to maybe March 18th or so. And then we saw Bitcoin fall off a cliff. We haven't seen a full cycle for Cardano yet. So we don't necessarily know exactly of how it will react. Does it stay hold valuations in the upper bounds of the chart? Does it still go down to the bottom of the chart? In which case it becomes a great buying opportunity for Ethereum, or does it do something entirely different? We don't know. Um, what we do know is that it seems to be holding its valuations at the moment fairly well. It is at the 200-day moving average. Beyond this, I don't see any other kind of relationship with Cardano Ether with the 200-day moving average, right? The only consistent data point is this. So take that as you will. It is one data point. And history doesn't show that there's much relationship between the price and this moving average, but something that I would like to keep to point out against the U.S. dollar, you see incredible support. You see incredible support. You see just Cardano holding this level ever since the beginning of the year, since February, which is fairly impressive. In addition to that, we are also holding the 200-day moving average. We bounced off of it a few weeks ago in June. Sorry, last week, I believe, or 2 weeks ago. Yeah. No, June. Oh, sorry, it's July. Last month, we saw it bounce off there. We also saw Cardano USD also bounced here off the moving average. So you could see that this 200-day moving average has more of a relationship with the price against the US dollar, which is something to take note. And so with that said, we'll see if this is going to be a bounce, much like what we see here, where we see it, the price hold, and then we then start to see the price trend up. Who knows? But something to take note of, something that's definitely going to be interesting for the weeks to come, especially with Bitcoin, the way Bitcoin is acting right now. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.